As this is our 10th year for the Cycle Classic Reach for Research event, we want to explain where the funds go and how the Institute is funded. Just to let the community know that we have a total of 18 staff that we have in the Institute, of which 8 are PhD students, full-time PhD students from the Federation University. We have 10 scientific staff. Not all of them are fully funded. Some are honorary visiting staff, so we do have 7 fully funded research staff that we rely on funds from events such as this and the community and donations and some grants to support our research. The research funding for the Institute comes to around 800,000 per year to run the Institute effectively and for us to be able to do cutting edge research. The funds go to providing salaries for our staff and for them to be able to do the important research that is done here in the area of immunology and cancer. We feel that this area of endeavour in cancer research is going to lead to much better treatments in the future, where patients won't necessarily be needing as much chemotherapy or radiation therapy or surgery, and we'll be able to use the immune system to attack cancers in a novel way, which would make life a lot easier for patients with less side effects. So we're very excited that this is the 10th anniversary and the funds from this event will be going to these incredible, highly regarded, internationally recognised research projects in the Fiona Elsey Cancer Research Institute. Specifically, some of our research projects which have acknowledged international reputation in this area includes our ovarian cancer research program headed by Professor Nuzhat Ahmed, who is the recent John Turner Cancer Research Fund Fellow that has joined the Institute and is doing internationally recognised research in immunology and ovarian cancer. And we feel that this work is expanding quite quickly, and we now have collaborations with Melbourne institutions as well as overseas institutions on doing this important work. Professor Stuart Berzins is doing work on a lot of aspects of immunology and cancer, and his group is instrumental in helping us to understand, dissect the immune system in all the cancers and blood disorders that we examine. And in the area of histiocytosis and immune cancers, we're also recognised internationally in that area, and we've currently published international publications in the area. So we have Nature publications and very highly acclaimed journal results that have been published as a result of these important projects. And recently we've been able to expand that with work on chronic leukemia cells, looking at the proteins on the surface of those cells that stop the immune system from working, and we're hoping to develop antibodies to those to be able to treat patients with not only blood disorders but other cancers that may have those proteins on the surface. So this is a bit of information on the specifics of some of the cancer projects that we're doing.